So the first thing we want to do is pick the beans. Gonna put them on a counter, a clean surface. And we're just gonna go through them. We're gonna remove any kind of old rotten beans or rocks or anything you might find, any debris in the bean. Get a good look at them. And then kind of, move around your hand, take a good look at them. And once you get that done, go ahead and dump them in the colander. Meanwhile, in a large pot, I have put 8 cups of water. Now, you can always go a cup more if you want, but I always start with 8. And if I feel I need to go more, I will go 1 cup more. But usually 8 cups of water will do a good pound of beans. Now our beans have been picked. Now we're gonna rinse them under some nice cold water to make sure we rinse them off real good. Into the pot, the beans will go. Now, meanwhile, while those beans are coming back to a boil, we're gonna go ahead and get our vegetables ready that we're gonna season the beans with. Next thing that we are going to need is our vegetables. Now here I have a bell pepper. I've already taken the core and the inside out of the bell pepper. And I have 3 stalks of green onion. And we use all part of the green onion. I am missing something, guys, and that is a nice big juicy yellow onion. I looked in my refrigerator, I was out. So the green onion will suffice. But you definitely want to at least put a large, well, I wouldn't say the whole large, maybe a medium yellow onion in your beans. So right now I'm going to just go ahead on and chop up the bell pepper. And I kind of like to leave my bell peppers in, not too small pieces, because you want to be able to definitely be able to bite into them when you eat your beans. I mean, in other words, you want to know you have some bell pepper in your beans. So I'm just going to kind of just a rough chop of my bell pepper. Kind of like that. I still want to be able to see them in the beans when they cook. And just kind of smooth them off to the side. And now I'm going to do the same thing with my onions. So of course I'm going to have to cut them in half, and then again another rough chop. And like I said, the only other thing we probably have is a nice big yellow onion added to that. And even a little touch of celery would be nice in some beans. Celery is very tasty in beans. I'm going to also add some celery. I'm going to do a rough chop with that. And right from the cutting board, guys, right to our pot. So we're going to go ahead and put those vegetables in the pot. And I see that these beans are boiling. What we're going to do now is turn them down and let them cook with the vegetables for about 30 minutes. No, 30 minutes by themselves. I'm going to give them a nice good stir. Let's bring that back up to a boil. Then we're going to turn it low and cover it for about a good 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes before we add any meats. Okay, so we're going to add our salt, and this is to taste. Okay, and it's better to add a little bit at a time instead of a whole lot. Some black pepper, so we're going to start with salt and pepper. You can always get a Cajun seasoning, but I find that the flavor is better when I start with basic salt and pepper. A dash of garlic powder. A dash of cayenne pepper. Some cumin powder, about a teaspoon of that. I'm sorry guys, that was chili powder. So that was a little bit of chili powder, some chili powder. And about a teaspoon of cumin. And we're gonna go ahead and stir that all up and make sure we bring our beans back to a boil. So we want to bring that temperature back up. Every time we add something, the temperature falls back, but we want to bring that back up. And stirring the pot is very essential to the beans. It's going to make a nice smooth gravy that way. All right, no meat yet. This is let those few seasons marinate together, and then we'll add our smoked sausage. After about 30 minutes, we're going to go ahead on and add the sausage. I don't know, it just seems like giving the beans a few minutes to mesh together with the other vegetables, like everything seems to, it's like layers of flavor. It tastes a lot better. Okay guys, so these beans have about another good hour or so to cook, and we're going to keep them covered, but we're going to stir them frequently, and then they'll be ready. The red beans are ready. So what you do, you're gonna just put your nice little bed of rice right there. And then a nice heaping hot scoop of red beans right on top. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share this video. And I am gonna sit back and eat me a nice bowl of red beans and rice. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.